Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Know Your Rights we will be covering a news story out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Before violently arresting an elderly woman with bipolar disorder, Tulsa police officers taunt her. According to newly released bodycam film, Tulsa police officers teased and laughed at a 70-year-old lady who was having a mental health crisis before violently detaining her. If this news story sounds interesting to you, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Now let's dive right into this news story. The video has aroused controversy, but the Tulsa Police Department claims that when officers kicked through a bathroom door and attacked LaDonna Paris in an incident last October, they followed protocol. Paris had barricaded herself in a Habitat for Humanity store's bathroom and refused to emerge. She was having a manic episode due to late-onset bipolar disorder. Paris had an aerosol can and a lighter, according to the Tulsa Police Department, and was attempting to set fire to the bathroom. What's getting people's attention is what happened before the cops kicked through the door. A Tulsa police officer arcs her taser, asks Paris if she wants to be tased, then rattles the door to mock the plainly distressed woman, according to body camera footage. As she and her colleague wait for another police to arrive and kick down the door, the officer exclaims, "This is going to be so much fun." Tulsa has a specific response team that deals with persons in mental health crises, but it was overburdened at the time. Instead, police assaulted Paris, causing her to bleed profusely. She was held in jail for a month on charges of arson, trespassing, resisting police, and other offenses before the charges were withdrawn due to Paris's mental condition. The Tulsa Police Department published the entire event video and supported the arrest. To be clear, Tulsa Police Captain Richard Muhlenberg said in a statement, "The office's banter outside of the presence of the subject can be perceived as unprofessional and has been handled with the officers. The overall actions of the officers and the way in which the call was handled is within the policies of the Tulsa Police Department," according to Muhlenberg. In recent years, several incidents of police abuse of the elderly have made national headlines. Austin Hopp, a police officer in Loveland, Colorado, was dismissed and criminally charged after bodycam evidence showed him violently arresting Karen Garner, a 73-year-old lady with aphasia and dementia. Garner was accused of stealing $130 worth of Walmart items. Hopp afterwards entertained himself at the station by watching the video footage showing him dislocating Garner's shoulder with other Loveland officers. He addressed the other officers, "Are you ready for the pop?" Paris is presently represented by the Solomon Simmons law firm. Despite knowing that Ms. Paris was suffering from a bipolar manic episode, the police officers engaged violently provoked and insulted Ms. Paris, laughing at her handicap as if it were a joke, the law firm said in a statement. "We are outraged by this heinous action shown on film, as well as the Tulsa Police Department's attempt to blame the incident on the victim of a mental health crisis and police brutality." If you want to watch the complete uncut footage of this occurrence, please click on the link in the description below. Well, thank you for watching YouTube. If you liked this video and you would like to see more videos like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.